Assalamualaikum and good morning. We are from Group 6 are going to present about Mitsubishi Motors. Our team member is Farisa Najiha, Wong Zintian, Afroz Ahmad, Aiman Fikri and Chan Kalok.
For introduction, Mitsubishi started in Japan as a shipbuilding company in 1940 and later expanded into automotive industry. Mitsubishi Motor Corporation was founded in 1970 as a subsidiary of Mitsubishi Heavy Industry with the headquarters located in Tokyo. Mitsubishi Motor expand internationally through partnership, notably with Sister, and increased its global presence through participation in international car rallies such as WRC Safari Rally. In early 2000, the company faced financial difficulties. Scandal involving defect cover-up and falsified fuel data damaged customer trust. Several car models were suspended, leadership resigned, and the company required a bailout from Japanese government.
Mitsubishi objective. The first one is strengthen global competitiveness. Mitsubishi aim to enhance its competitiveness in the global automotive market by improving vehicles quality and adopting modern technology. This will help the company compete more effectively with major global automobile manufacturers. The second one is increase sales in Asian market. Mitsubishi focus on increasing sales volume in the Asian region where demand for SUV and pickup truck is strong. The company leveraged its strong market presence to maintain and expand its market share. And the third one is rebuild brand trust. Mitsubishi aim to restore consumer trust by improving transparency, governance, and compliance after all the fuel efficiency scandals. These efforts are important to strengthen the brand reputation and long-term sustainability.
Now I am going to explain about Mitsubishi competitive advantage. Competitive advantage is the opportunity for company to compete in the same segment market with the competitors. The competitive advantage the Mitsubishi Motors have is provides a long-term warranty. A warranty is a promise from the company to repair or replace a product if it fails to meet a specific conditions or offering reassurance to consumers. Mitsubishi Motors give a 5-year warranty from the date of vehicle registration or 200,000 kilometer mileage, whichever comes first. Compared to Honda only give a 3 years warranty from the date of vehicle registration or 100,000 kilometer mileage, whichever comes first. This comparison shows that Mitsubishi Motors provide a longer year and more mileage for warranty compared to Honda. Mitsubishi Motors more focus on after-sales service like warranty to make sure the consumers more confident to consume their product.
Next, I will explain the rules and governing factors that influence Mitsubishi Motor performance. First, in terms of management rules, Mitsubishi Motor has a human resource development council led by the president and CEO. These councils meet monthly to discuss talent development, training, and workforce competitiveness. The company focuses on key areas such as electric vehicle technology, carbon neutrality, digitalization, and employee reskilling. Under the Challenge 2025 plan, the company first addressed workforce quality in FY 2023 by improving recruitment and workplace structure. In FY 2024, the focus shifted to improving quality by enhancing employee productivity, skill, and career development. Next are the managerial roles. Interpersonally, managers act as figurehead, leader, and liaison to motivate employees and maintain strong internal and external relationships. Informationally, manager monitor, perform, share important information, and represent the company to external stakeholders. Finally, decision rules are supported by strong corporate governance. The board of directors and various committees ensure effective decision making, risk management, and long-term sustainability. Overall, the rules help Mitsubishi Motors achieve strategy alignment, strong governance, and sustainable growth. That's all for me. Thank you.
Now I will present my part, which is role and governing factor in firm performance. So for my part is this happened mainly within Mitsubishi Motor global operation, especially in Japan, Asia, and North America. This company is involved in vertical manufacturing, sales, and financial service, and has undergone major restructuring to improve performance. Mitsubishi Motor performance is influenced by both external and internal governing factors that shape its strategic decision and operations. So for the external factor, first element is leadership. A strong leadership help Mitsubishi Motors stay competitive, especially in electric and hybrid vertical development while rebuilding trust and reputations. So secondly is high market competitive force Mitsubishi Motor to continuously innovate, improve quality and manage costs to protect market share. So the last element for external factor is government regulations influence product is can product produce design and operation pushing the company towards cleaner and safer technologies. So for the internal factor is for first element is a strong corporate governance can improve internal control, reduce risks and builds investor confidence. So for second is organization structure and culture. A clear structure and positive culture can help employees work more efficiency and support long-term performance. For the last is technology and innovations. So a good in technology and innovation can strengthen competitiveness by improving efficiency, sustainability, and product quality. So that's all for my part. So I will hand over to next part to my colleague. Thank you.
For problem and solution by Mitsubishi Motor Corporation, the first problem is aging lineup and slow model rollout. So many Mitsubishi models use older platform and lack advanced feature, making them less competitive. So for the solution, Mitsubishi accelerate model renewal through strategic partnership such as Nissan and Renault to co-develop new platform and reduce R&D time and cost. For the second problem, limited EV and PHEV lineup and strong competition. Competitors, especially Chinese brands, offer more affordable and technologically advanced EVs and hybrid. So for the solution, we can expand EV and PHEV lineup using modular EV platform to launch multiple electrified models faster and improve market position. And for the third problem, high electrification and production costs. High investment in EV technologies, batteries and rising raw materials costs increases financial pressure. So for the solution, we can optimize production through shared platform, battery partnership, and economies of scale to lower manufacturing and development costs.
For POLC, we will start with planning, that's assessing SWOT. First, we look at their strength. They're known for high reliability, dependability, and strong performance. They offer a very long warranty period that is up to 10 years. Their vehicle is very affordable with advanced feature and modern technology. They have strong focus on customer feedback and customer satisfaction. For the weakness, they will involve many unethical practice, including falsifying fuel consumption and data. Failure to report issue to Japanese regulator for many years, leading to loss of trust from both consumer and buyer. They also have poor after-taste service and limited availability of spare parts in many regions. For the threat, they have rising fuel and raw material costs due to resource depletion around the world. They have intense competition in the automotive industry, such as Nissan, Toyota, and Hyundai. For the opportunity, they have growing global demand for electric, hybrid, environmental friendly vehicle. have potential to expand to emerging markets such as China and India. Existing market size and sales growth in developing economies is also their opportunities. Next, we will go to organizing. There's three thing in organizing. There is top manager, middle manager, and first line manager. For top management, they have no independent director with direct management experience, but they were supported by outside director with management experience in listed company. The director contribute expertise in global management, automobile industry, and international business environment. Board members also provide diverse skill and knowledge to get the company through industrial change. Next, it will be middle manager. Middle management act as link between top management and operational employees. They translate company strategies into practical action and play key role in adapting to market change and strengthening their competitiveness. But lastly, we have first line manager. They were responsible in daily operation and task optimization. They focus on leadership supervision and operational coordination. Example include as manager, team leader, regional manager. Next, we have leading. In leading, we have organizational culture in Mitsubishi Company. They emphasize in respect for human rights and positive long-term relationship between employees and the company. They consider culture, value, religion, custom, when establishing business. They also have employee of labor required to participate in training program so that their employees will have a growth in their career. Lastly, they encourage employee to employee fulfillment, effective use of individual abilities through engagement and physical and mental well-being. And lastly, we have controlling. Mitsubishi has a control cycle that's a clear benchmark focused on achieving carbon neutrality. They also try to develop a carbon neutrality roadmap addressing both supply and demand side. They establish sub-communities involving production, development, and dealers from Japan and overseas. Monitor performance by measuring global logistic and carbon dioxide emission. They also review the entire supply chain, including overseas operation and production plant. So basically, they really focus on trying to reduce the carbon emission and achieve the very low carbon footstep. Okay.
Now I am going to present the conclusion part. As the summary, this report shows an overall analysis of Mitsubishi Motors Corporation that focusing on its background, objective, competitive advantages, management role, challenges, and solution. At the beginning, Mitsubishi Group has developed into a well-known automobile manufacturer by recognizing its SUVs, pickup trucks, and MPVs. But they got some challenges has faced like past fuel efficiency scandals. This report highlights the Mitsubishi main objective, which include solving past fuel efficiency scandal, competing effectively in the highly competitive global automotive market, and maintaining strong sales performance in ASEAN countries. One of the company's key competitive advantages is its strong focus on the after-sales service, particularly its long-term warranty. For the roles and governing factors, the report explains the important role of management and governance at Mitsubishi Motors. The company focused on human resource development through structured councils, training programs, and its Challenge 2025 midterm business plan. The manager role, like interpersonal, informational, and decision managerial, help to ensure the effective leadership. The discussion section discussed about major problems faced by Mitsubishi Motors and how it's solved. Example of problem is slow rollout of new model, limited EV and PHEV offering, and the competition from the Chinese EV manufacturers. To solve these issues, Mitsubishi Motors focused to make the partnership with the other company like Nissan and Renault to enhance EV platforms. For the reflection part, our team learned how a large multinational company like Mitsubishi Motor operate, grow, adapt, and survive in highly competitive market. Uh, we realized that a strong brand name only is not enough to always success. We also learned that recovering from such setbacks requires sincere and effective manager roles, clear reforms, and a long-term commitment to improvement.